I came up with a crazy go high level website effect that will blow your mind. And this right here is how it works. As you can see, we have a pin section that freezes in place, and then we have a series of different animations that are triggered based on scroll. So we can scroll through different text elements like headline 1, headline 2, headline 3, and then in the end we have an image that zooms in and also fades in. And of course, if you scroll the other way, then the image fades out and you get the text once again, and then the section unfreezes. Very, very cool. And of course, if you go past the image, then the normal website flow resumes. Incredibly crazy effect, and of course it can be personalized in multiple ways. You can add multiple images, you can continue the animation after the image, you can add some more text. Let's say you want to fade out this image and add more text and so on. It's crazy what you can do with this effect. Let's hop into the Go High Level website builder and start showcasing how this effect works and what you need to add and to build in order for it to actually work. First things first, you would need obviously a normal section with some custom JavaScript, and then you would need the section for the effect. The next section, don't mind, is just for us to scroll so you can see the effect better. But you need one section, green section, that you add the custom class pin section to. Then inside it you add a one column row, and not on the row, this is the row, this one doesn't have any class, but on the column you add the custom class pin wrapper, and inside the column you add your elements. Believe it or not, but here we have one image plus 3 text elements, one on top of the other, and it looks a bit odd in the website builder because of the CSS, which is this one right here. As you can see, you can get it from my Notion doc, pinned text sequence, scroll driven transitions. You can copy the code from here, the CSS, and also the JavaScript for this element right here. And that's pretty much all you need in terms of code. Going back to the custom CSS, let's first invalidate those classes, those 4 classes: pin text 1, pin text 2, pin text 3, and pin image 1. Click save. And this is how everything looks. The first text element, of course, has the class pin text 1, the second one pin text 2, and the third one pin text 3. And of course the image is pin image 1. After you change all the text elements, add your text, change the sentences, wording, and so on and so forth, you need to revalidate the classes, right? So we just delete the letter that we added, and then when you click save, these classes will be applied to the elements, and this is how it will look inside the website builder. But on the actual website, only the first text element will be visible until you pin the section, right? So this is pin section. Once you hit the top of your screen, just like this, because we have some margin here until our row element, then the text one will be visible. Then while you scroll, as you can see, we have a fade out, very, very cool. And then the next headline has a fade in, goes in the middle, then it goes up with a fade out, then the third one fades in, fades out, and then the image zooms in right from the center. So all the other text elements, they also move up and down, plus the fade in, but the image has a really, really cool zoom in effect. And then once the image finishes its animation, then we can scroll further. Very, very nice section that you can create and you can use to showcase different benefits or product features or whatever you want to use it for in your Go High Level website, because it's really powerful and gives a really nice touch to your Go High Level website. And if you want to get my Notion doc, so you can copy the code from there, plus get access to all the other effects, click the first link in the description. And if you want to see more crazy GSAP effects, check out this video.